Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the charts of GBPUSD and EURUSD for Friday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, as you can see on the screen, dollar farmer on solid US data, China's yuan tumbles to 16-year low. Dollar index DXY is continuing its uptrend. Dollar index made a high of 105.15, and right now we can see that it is showing some sort of retracement or correction. Overall, the dollar index is very bullish, as a result of which we can see pressure on the charts of gold, euro USD, GBP USD, and others. If you look at the chart, then you can see that we have a rising wedge pattern on the chart of DXY right now. But my dear friends, as we all know, fundamentals are above all. But there is no fundamental factor that is pointing towards a trend reversal. So as a result, if market goes down also, it will not be a trend reversal. It will just be a trend not it will just be a retracement. Okay, because in absence of any fundamental factors, there cannot be a complete trend reversal simply on the basis of technicals. And if you look at the economic calendar, you can see that today on Friday on 8th of September, we don't have any news also that will bring a trend reversal on the chart of DXY. So just we can expect that during the day, if DXY goes down also, it will get support around 104.70 or 104.50, and there should not be a free fall on the chart. In case by the US session market shows volatility also, if DXY goes for deeper retracement also, we can expect that around 104, around the dynamic moving averages, market will get support and DXY will bounce again. Overall, the market is in uptrend and the trend of the market should continue. So plan your trades accordingly. Now let's look at a chart of euro dollar. So let me take you to 4-hour chart. You can see that already I have mentioned no selling zone. In my previous videos, I showed you guys that around 1.06, 1.0685 to 1.0635, we have multiple price rejections in the past. Okay, so as a result, in case because of the ongoing selling pressure on euro USD, if market enters this zone, also try to avoid sell position, because of strong price rejection around this area, buyers present in this area will try to take the market towards the upside. There will be a battle between the ongoing selling pressure and the buyers around this area. This may not be a free fall. This may not be a clean trade, clean selling trade. So you can avoid sell position in this range 1.0685, 1.0635. And considering the present trend of the market, obviously taking a sell at resistance is the best thing you can do here. And right now we can see the best resistance on the chart of euro USD seems to be around 1.0750 to 1.0770. You can see here we have previous support acting as resistance, and we have drawn FIBO from here. You can also see we have FIBO 23.6% retracement level around this area. During the day, especially during the Asian session, European session, if market goes up and reverses, we can look for a sell position. But yes, observing the market around the area will be very important. Right now you can see I am on a 4-hour time frame. Obviously confirmation on 4-hour time frame is not possible. It is very slow. You can simply switch to 50 minutes time frame, 1-hour time frame, just to observe the market behavior in this particular range. If you see the market is struggling around the area, if you see the market is showing good price rejection from above, you'll get the confirmation that sellers are present in this area, and you can look for a sell. Okay, 1.0750, 1.0770 is the first selling opportunity. And if market breaks also this level, for example, during the US session, market becomes volatile, euro USD shows good recovery, and if you see that euro USD is standing at resistance with a green candle, big green candle, do you think you should go for a sell? Obviously no. Trading and common sense goes side by side. So you should be looking for next opportunity around 1.0800. Why? 50 moving average you can see here, along with that 38.2% retracement level. Okay, so these are the trading opportunities on Euro USD, but try to avoid any sell position in this particular portion of the market. And let's look at the chart of GBPUSD, British Pound US Dollar. Okay. So on the chart of GBPUSD, okay, we do not have any no selling zone like that. Okay, but here also, considering the overall trend, considering the market sentiment, you can look for a sell position, and yes, that seems to be the best trading strategy here as well. Oh, sorry, I shifted excellent to Euro USD. Okay, okay. Here also, okay, the range is 1.2550 to 1.2570. This is the seller's zone on the chart of GBP USD. During the day, if market recovers, observe the market around this area because of previous support around this area. We can expect that it will be working as resistance. If it starts working as resistance, we can look for a sell position around this area. If not 1.2570, around 1.2550, 1.2560. Okay, and just like Euro USD, the second resistance on the chart of GBP USD is around 1.2600 to 1.2615. Here you can see we have FIBO 23.6% retracement level, along with that 50 moving average, and 100 moving average is also coming down. If we combine all the factors, okay, in this market situation, there's a good chance that sellers will not let GBP USD to go up that easily. If market reverses, we can definitely click on the sell button. So these are the trading opportunities that I see on the charts of GBP USD, Euro USD for Friday. And as you guys already know, that Hindi workshop has already started, and English workshop is about to start after 3 days. The world's most affordable Forex trading workshop. My dear friends, it's a 3 days workshop followed by 1 month support. This workshop, as I have already said earlier, that is not for complete beginners. This workshop has been designed only for those people who have been struggling with the market, unable to make money for a couple of months and years. If you really like my work, if you really like my analysis, then you can consider joining the workshop, because this workshop has lots and lots of benefits. My dear friends, the workshop is part of the Pro Trader program, so don't get confused. If you go to my website, you can see that these are the benefits that you will be getting after joining the Pro Trader program. Means in the form of support. You can see here I have written my story, mentioned my story, so that you can understand that nothing is impossible in the market. And there's a questionnaire so that you can understand whether the workshop will be useful for you or not. These are the topics that we will be dealing in the workshop: day 1, day 2, day 3, and we will also be having weekly classes. After the 3 days workshop, you will not only be receiving regular market updates, analysis, trade setups. Okay, you will also be having weekly sessions. These are the topics that we'll be dealing in our weekly classes. And yes, these are the dates and the timing. You can see 11th September, 12th September, 13th September, timing is mentioned here. So once you're done with the payment, you simply need to WhatsApp the screenshot to this WhatsApp number, so that I can add you to the group. And yes, the best part is the fees. The fees, you can see, is only $15, rupees 1000 for Indians. It's a 3 days workshop with 1 month support. And these are the benefits that we'll be getting after joining. And as we all know that trading takes time. It's there is no shortcut in the market. Okay, it's a process. So if you're looking for guidance, if you're looking for mentorship, if you're looking for a longer relationship, then you can also sign up for a semi-annual program or lifetime support, which are also very, very affordable. You can see 3 days workshop with 6 months support is only $65, rupees 4000 for Indians. Not only you'll be getting all the benefits, but also you'll be getting 2 personal sessions with me, so that you can clear your doubts. Okay, you can, for learning purpose. And in lifetime, it's only $125, rupees 8000 for Indians. All the benefits for lifetime, plus you will be getting 6 personal sessions with me to clear your doubts, for learn fun, many things. Okay, so if you like my work, if you believe that my work will be beneficial in your trading journey, you can definitely sign up. Okay, feel free to check out, the link is in the description. Thank you so much. Bye bye, take care.